everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, I'm going to show you how to make some rolled tacos. Yep, these are some delicious rolled tacos. If you guys would like to know how to make these rolled tacos, then let's get into this video. I'm using shredded chicken for my taquitos. We're making chicken taquitos. Some people call them flantas. I can't pronounce it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start off by seasoning my meat. You don't have to. I'm gonna put some taco seasoning. This is the brand of taco seasoning that I usually use. Use whatever taco seasoning you like. Basically, you're gonna put in about 1 pack. This is a rotisserie chicken that I'm using. Okay, so season with the taco seasoning. Also, I am going to add in some black pepper for my seasoning as well. Add in season according to your likeness. Okay, you don't have to add a lot for this recipe. I have some Rotel. I'm gonna add in 1 can of Rotel. I drained the Rotel. Rotel is diced tomatoes and chilies. Okay, I strained all of that liquid out of that 1 can. I have 1 small onion diced. Some people do like onions, some people don't. If you don't like onions, then you don't have to add them. But that is 1 small onion diced. And this recipe will make a lot of taquitos. Cheese. Okay? I have some white cheddar cheese, and then I also have some pepper jack cheese that I am adding in for our rolled tacos, our taquitos, but let's just call them rolled tacos for right now, okay? And the amount of cheese that I'm using is 1.5 blocks. So I'm going to mix this together before I add in my beans, because I don't want all of my ingredients to, you know, go flying out of my bowl that I have chose to mix in. And if you don't like beans, you don't have to add them, okay? But I'm adding in me some refried beans. Are the beans that I'm using refried pinto beans. I'm going to mix my pinto beans in with my meat mixture and all of the Rotel and the onions that we have previously added, along with that seasoning and our delicious cheese mixture. When I tell y'all this is gonna be good, it is, and your family will enjoy it. So go ahead, make you some rolled tacos today. Okay, I have my soft flour tortilla shells, and I am going to heat them up just for a few seconds on each side, not to cook them. You just want to heat them up, okay? Just keep heating them up. I'll heat up another one. And I'm gonna continue to heat up my tortilla shells, my flour, and I'm gonna show you the ones I'm using. And this is a family pack, okay? And you can find this in Walmart. While my tortilla is heating up, I have some flour and some water. I'm gonna make a slurry with this, okay? Okay, so now let's fill our tortillas. You're gonna get about a tablespoon, okay? You're gonna put it close to this side. You're gonna spread it out like so, because we are gonna roll this. So just 1 heaping tablespoon, okay? I told you these fillings will make a lot, okay? So take it and you're gonna push it back and you are going to roll your taco, your taquito. You see that? Okay, so the flour water mixture that we made, you're gonna get some on your finger and you're just gonna seal your taquito with it, okay? Roll it as tight as you can, like so. And when you get ready to fry it, we're gonna put the same side down. So this is what it should look like, okay? Let's do another one, okay? Chicken roll tacos, rolled chicken tacos. Let's just keep calling them rolled tacos for now, okay? I'm gonna put some more in here. And trust me, y'all, these are good. I know y'all seen the frozen ones in the store. They got steak, they got chicken, I think they got cheese. Then the yellow box with the red on it. Those are good now. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. They good because I used to buy them. But once you learn how to make them at home, you won't be buying them. Roll it tight, okay? Tight as you can get it. Okay, then you're gonna go in, seal it like that. And I'm gonna finish rolling these off camera, okay? And I'll be back. You can use a toothpick if you want to instead of the water and the flour. Okay, so we are going to cook these in a pan, shallow. See, I have this thin side going down. Okay, I'm not gonna overfry my skillet. I'm gonna cook two. And you're only gonna cook it for like a minute per side. They go very quickly. You just flip it over. You see how it's brown? That's what we want. A brown side. Yep, flip it over when it gets this brown. Yep, brown like this. Okay? These are rolled tacos. And it only takes about a minute or two per side before it turns brown. Okay? Taking this first one out. This is the seam. Put it in there. That side down first. Okay? Alright, I'm finished cooking these taquitos. Okay everyone, so these are my taquitos, my rolled tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to Cooking with TK's channel for another great video tutorial on how to make some delicious food. Rolled tacos, taquitos. Y'all, this is chicken style. I'm about ready to get grubbing. I'm gonna eat these with some chola hot sauce, and it's good too. Y'all have a wonderful day.